Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about histograms. So let's see what is it. A histogram is a graph showing frequency distribution. Okay, so it is a graph showing the number of observation within each given interval. So it will provide you the number of frequency of each number you have provided. According to your observation, it will provide you the distribution and the frequency of the given interval. So for example, I have given here the height of 250 people, and you might end up of the histogram like this. Okay, so you can read from the histogram that they are approximately two people from 140 to 145, five people of 145 to 150, and these are the things that are available. So let me create the histogram. So first, for creating the histogram, I should know that we have to give one function, that is hist of function. Okay, this will help you to create the histogram. So hist of function will use the array of number to create the histogram. So it will use all the array of the number that is given to your that is given. Okay. So for simplicity, we use the numpy to randomly generate the array of 250 people. Okay. So for this is the example how you should write it. Okay, after writing this, we will be able to get the histogram. Okay, first you have to import it, then you use numpy as np, and then x is equal to np dot random dot normal and the number you want. Okay, so that is how you need to do. Let me run this program, then you will be able to understand. I have mentioned all the codes here, so let me just run this code. So on screen, you can see that this is how you will get your histogram graph. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.